Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you watched my Blippo Harajuku Kawaii backpack unboxing like a week ago now, I think I posted that, then you would have known that this video was coming. And today is going to be an unboxing for Kawaii Box for March. And my Kawaii Box came in a couple of days ago. I have already opened it, but I haven't had a proper look at everything yet. I thought I'd save that for the video. So before we jump right into the unboxing, I just want to let you guys know that Kawaii Box did gift this to me. So I just want to say a huge thank you to them for gifting me this month's Kawaii Box. And also in collaboration with Kawaii Box, I am doing a giveaway, so stick around until the end of the video to find out how to enter. So without much further ado, let's unbox the Kawaii Box for March. First of all, can we just talk about how cute the packaging is as well? This is how it arrived, so it didn't arrive with anything else over it. This is just how it arrived in the post, and I just love the outer packaging. It's very cutesy, very kawaii. So let's open our box and see what we got. It's very well presented. Look, we've got some tissue paper here with some kawaii designs on the front. That is such a nice touch. I love that. And the first thing we are met with is this little thing, this plush. Let me just get it out for you guys. This Hello Kitty pillow. I haven't taken it out of the package yet. Let's do that now and let's have a proper look at it. Yes, we got this Hello Kitty plush pillow. How cute. And look at that, she's got stars on her bow as well. And this is official Sanrio merch as well. You can see that on the label there. So you know that you're getting authentic Sanrio merch in this Kawaii Box. And I can definitely see this sitting in the background of my videos, like where Cinnamoroll and Hello Kitty are sitting over there. So yeah, this is definitely going to fit right in over there. And also I absolutely love plushes, so I am absolutely thrilled to get this in my Kawaii Box. So there we are, we're off to a very good start. Let's have another look at what we've got in here. We've got a leaflet here, which I think was at the bottom of the box, but because I took everything out and put it back in, like I had a quick look at everything and then put it all back in just for the video. This was at the bottom of the box but somehow made its way to the top because I didn't put everything back properly. So I'll have a quick look at this now. This is the leaflet, which I'm pretty sure is standard for every single box that you get from Kawaii Box. Yeah, on the leaflet it lets you know everything that is inside your box, which is very helpful. So we've already opened the Hello Kitty Puroland plushie, and this is an exclusive plushie as well. It says here, Hello Kitty is the perfect snuggle buddy. This Kawaii Box exclusive plushie is inspired by Hello Kitty's magical and colourful Puroland look. Place this cutie on your bed or gaming chair for an instant touch of kawaii. That is so cute. I was literally just saying that I'm going to be putting this on my bed, so yeah, that is definitely going to fit right in and would look really good on a gaming chair as well if you have like a gaming setup. So yeah, this is a very handy leaflet to have if you want to know more about the items that you're receiving in your Kawaii Box. So yeah, I think this is very helpful. Like I said, this was at the bottom of the box but somehow made its way to the top because I didn't pack everything in properly, because I've already had a sneak peek at everything that's in here, like I said before. And look, here is a leaflet that has the Kawaii backpack from Blippo on that I did a review on like a week or so back. So if you want to go and watch that video, I'll link it at the top here for you guys. Both Blippo and Kawaii Box are owned by the same people, I think, so definitely go and check out that video because I talk more in depth about this backpack here if that's something that you're interested in. So let's see what else we've got in this month's Kawaii Box. Let's go for this right here. So this is an accessory box with Kuromi and My Melody and Cinnamoroll on the front, and it's basically a little accessory case which you open by just pressing down here, and you can put like earrings and jewelry in there, which is actually very handy for me to receive because I've been looking for like a storage space to put my necklaces. So I think I'm going to put all my necklaces in here. And also it's just so cutesy. I absolutely love the design on the front with Kuromi, My Melody, Cinnamoroll, all the Sanrio characters on the front. I'm very excited that I've got a lot of Sanrio things in this Kawaii Box because I don't think every Kawaii Box is Sanrio themed. I think it sort of goes between different sorts of kawaii style characters. So I am actually really excited that I've got a lot of Sanrio stuff in here because I just love Sanrio. And the next thing that we've got here is this refillable spray bottle, and again on the front it's got Sanrio characters. It's got My Melody, Kuromi and Sanrio on the front. Let me just open it up so we can have a proper look at it. Oh wow, that's so cute. It's got a little star at the top there. I didn't notice that before. I love that little star thing at the top there. That's so cute. But yeah, this is again another Sanrio themed item. item. It hasn't got anything in the mist bottle yet, it's just empty at the moment, but this is a travel mist bottle. So like if you're going on a holiday somewhere or you're going on like a day trip, you can put like a little bit of your perfume in here and take it with you, so you're not like hauling around something valuable like an expensive perfume or something. I absolutely love that little pattern. It's the same pattern on the front of this spray bottle that's on the front of this accessory box. Yeah, that's just a little cutesy thing to have. It's very handy if you go traveling a lot. Yeah, that's very cute. I love it. So let's see what else we've got in this month's Kawaii box. And this looks like food. This looks food related. It feels like a wafer. Let me read in my leaflet to see what this actually is. This is a Pokemon Poke Piece wafer. So it is wafer, I was right. And it does indeed have Pokemon characters on the front. So like I said before, not every month is going to be Sanrio related. There's a lot of kawaii style sort of characters, Pokemon being one of them. A lot of these characters are sort of linked to anime, I've noticed as well. So yeah, this is a Pokemon themed snack, which is just so cutesy. I don't really play Pokemon. I've heard people talk about Pokemon, and I do have a Pokemon game on one of my old DS's which I played for a little while, but I'm not super knowledgeable on Pokemon. I think the only Pokemon character I know is Pikachu, and he is very cute. Pikachu is very cute, and he is on the front of this wafer, so I do recognize the Pokemon characters on the front here. Let me just read what it says about this wafer in our little handy leaflet here. So it says here that this is a Pokemon Poke Piece wafer, and it's a character snack. Poke Piece is a small town in the Pokemon world where humans and pocket monsters live peacefully. Enjoy this yummy chocolate-filled wafer and decorate your notebook with a special Poke Piece sticker. So you get a sticker with this as well. I'm assuming that's like inside the packet. I think I'm going to try this now. I'm going to give it a little taste, do a little review. I don't really do food reviews. I am making a mess of this right now. I actually opened this wafer to like give a review for you guys, and I just noticed looking up that my camera wasn't recording. Okay, so I don't think I catched any of this. So we did in fact get a sticker inside the packet. Let me just show you guys the sticker. This is the sticker that I got inside the packet. It's just a cute little bunny character. I'm sorry, I don't know what this character is. I don't really know much about Pokemon, but that is very cute. But this is the wafer. I have taken 2 bites out of it already, which I did record earlier, but obviously I didn't get on camera. So let's try this again. I do love chocolate wafers, so I knew that I would like this snack, and it just tastes like a yummy chocolate wafer. I just realized that I'm supposed to be filming like a small unboxing for my TikTok, and I probably shouldn't have eaten this for this video. I should probably have saved it for like that video that I was going to film for TikTok. Oh well. I reviewed it for you guys. We did a food review, my very first food review on my YouTube channel. How did you guys like it? Do you like my food reviews? I don't think that's really my repertoire. I don't really know what to say when I'm reviewing food, but it was a very nice wafer. If you like chocolate wafers, you'll like that. That's what I'll say. Let's see what else we've got in this month's Kawaii box. So we're coming to the last pieces that are at the bottom of this box now. So this looks like it's the mystery item, because it says on my leaflet here all the information about everything except for this. Doesn't say anything about this. So this looks like it's the mystery item, and it's these little badges with characters I don't really recognize, but these characters look a lot like Sailor Moon characters, so I'm assuming that's the sort of thing that these characters are. Sailor Moon characters, or like similar to that. So yeah, this is our little mystery gift that we got in this month's Kawaii box. Very cute little badges. And now we're on to the last item that I have in my Kawaii box for this month. And at first I had no idea what this is, so I'm really happy that this little leaflet exists. It is a Sanrio character's notebook cover, so it's a stationery piece, and it says here, time to give your plain notebook a Kawaii Sanrio makeover. Use this to cover your notebook and to keep your cards, receipts, or your favourite photos. But it did look like a wallet to me. This does look like something that you could use to keep like your credit cards in or whatever, or like any important little documents. But it is like an A6 wallet, and it is the size of like a notebook. I got this Kawaii notebook on Vinted about a month back now, but it ended up being like too small. Like the pages were like too small for me to write in, so I'm not really sure what I'm going to use this for yet. But this would fit perfectly in this little wallet. Let me just show you guys. Yeah, look, it fits perfectly in there. Let's have a look at the pattern on the front. It's got all the Sanrio characters on there. It's got Pom Pom Purin, My Melody, Hello Kitty, the twin stars, and a Kuromi cinnamon roll. It is just a Ziploc wallet, and you can keep your notebook in there or anything really, anything that you want. And this is the last item in my Kawaii box. So that was everything that I had to show you guys in this month's Kawaii box. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please remember to give it a big thumbs up because it really does help out my YouTube channel. And if you're into plus size fashion, makeup or beauty, then remember to subscribe to my channel because that is everything that I do here. If you would like your very own Kawaii box, then you're in luck because I'm currently running a giveaway in collaboration with Kawaii Box, and you guys could be in the chance of winning your very own Kawaii box for next month, I think it is. So in the description box below there'll be a link to a Gleam competition which will tell you everything that you need to do to enter, and all the information that you need will be on that page. I had a ton of questions about my previous Blippo giveaway, and honestly everything on that page is there for you. There's all the information that you would need is on that page, so please make sure you read everything properly. But I will briefly explain how you will be entered into the giveaway to win one of these Kawaii boxes. On that Gleam competition you will need to fill in your name and email address. You won't need to fill in anything else at that point because that is basically your entry. That will be your first entry into the giveaway, and then once you've done that there will be a list of tasks that will come up, which is optional. You do not have to do the rest of the tasks if you do not want to, but you can do these tasks if you want to get yourself more entries for the giveaway, so basically extra entries. And basically the tasks will consist of things like following Kawaii Box over on TikTok or Instagram, or following me over on TikTok and Instagram. It will basically be little tasks like that that could get you extra entries to go in for the giveaway. If you win, Kawaii Box will get in touch with you directly through email to let you know. Everything is there for you. It's super easy, it's international as well, so I'm actually really happy that I could do this in collaboration with Kawaii Box, because in the past when I've done my own giveaways I can only do like giveaways in the UK because shipping costs outside my country is like extortionate. So I'm really happy to be able to do this in collaboration with Kawaii Box, so thank you so much to them for giving you guys the chance to win your very own Kawaii Box. If you want to check out any of my other social medias, including Snapchat, Facebook or Instagram, there'll be a link to my link tree in the caption below for you guys as well if you want to check any of those out. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for supporting my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!